Testing Gyan. In this video, we are going to discuss about a very interesting question in interviews, which is how to identify the broken links in your web page. Now let us see how we can explain it to the interviewers. When an interviewer asks like identify the broken links from the given web page, then we have to basically elaborate the steps which we are going to perform in order to identify the broken links from the given web page. We can start like first of all we will identify a web locator using which we will find out all the elements which are holding the URL property in them. Okay, so once it is done, then we will use the find elements function of the Selenium, and we will store all those web elements in a list. After that, we will start traversing through that web elements list, and we will use the appropriate attribute to find the URL, such as href attribute. Okay, once it is done, then we will create a HTTP URL connection using Java embed libraries, and then we will connect to that particular extracted URL. After the connection, we will find out the response code which we will get after hitting that URL. Like, is it throwing 200? That means the link is valid. Or is it throwing something like 400, 401? That means link is not working. So now let us see with the real example how exactly we are going to do this. So here in my broken links class, I am doing first the basic setup, which is launching the Chrome and initializing my web elements and launching the URL. Okay, so here is the method where I'm doing the all the steps which I just mentioned before in order to find out the broken links. So first I identified the web element using the tag name A. Okay, so we can use any property, any locator which will give us the all the URLs of that particular web page. Once it is done, you can see I have created the list of web element which is links. Then I have started traversing over that list. Okay, and then using the href attribute, I am finding out the URL of every web element. Okay, once it is done, it's quite possible that the web element which we have identified is not having any URL in it. So to handle that, we have applied this condition. Okay, where if URL is null or it is empty, then in that case it will simply print in the log and continue to the next step. Okay, once it is done, then we have established a HTTP URL connection where I am first connecting to the extracted URL and then I am getting the response code. Okay, this is basically an API operation. Once it is done, if my response code is something like 400, 401, right, then I'm saying the link is broken. If my response code is not in the 400 series or 500 series, then I'm simply saying link is valid, which is 200. Okay, and after you can specifically mention like if response code is equal to 200, then only your link is said to be a valid link. And here I'm handling the malformed URL because it is also possible the element which we have identified is not having the URL in that href property, it is having some text. Okay, so to handle such situation so that our code do not stop or something, we have applied this malformed URL exception. Now let us see the working of this code. So it has launched the URL. Now let's see what exactly is happening in the logs. So here you can see like it is going through the URL of every identified web element and it is saying is a valid link, is a valid link. That is most of the links are working. If there's any not valid link, we will see that in logs, or if there is any value which is not exactly a URL, we will also see that in the logs. We will get the exception for that. So here you can see like the code has gone through every URL in the web page and most of the URLs are valid link. There are few values which are not exactly the URL like telephone number and this mail. Okay, so for these we got the malformed URL exception because these are not the URLs, but you can see like it continued, it didn't stop. went to the next element as well. So this is how exactly we can explain and show to the interviewer like how to identify the broken links from a given web page. I hope you guys are able to understand. In case of any questions, please let us know over the video comments. We will try our best to answer those queries. Thank you.